Hello there. Today I'm going to show you how to use 3ds Max like uh, any game engine like Unreal Engine or Unity, or any game engine like fly cameras with the WASD and maybe with E and Q to go up and down. So let me show you how we can do that. Uh, First of all, you need to make sure that you are in perspective mode, not in orthographic. Now you can press arrow key on the keyboard, or go to this option right here, and if you hold it with the left click, you will see more than one options. So you can choose this walkthrough mode, and then you can view the scene by holding left mouse button, and with the WASD you can fly around. I have changed some keys in the hotkey editor so that I can use it like I use it in Unreal Engine. So let me show you how you can do that. Go into customize, hotkey editor. uh, in the group you can go to walkthrough, and you will see all the setting related to this walkthrough mode. So I have changed a bunch of keys here, like accelerate toggle with the C, and for going up I used E. You can simply click on it and type any key here and assign. If that key already assigned to something else, you can simply click on remove and then assign that. And there are two buttons with the decrease step size and increase step size. I kept them at default because we cannot use like mouse wheel to do that. That's why I kept that this way. But I changed E for going up, and there's one more, Q for going down. So that's why I can use Q to go down and E to go up. And one more thing, sometimes you go inside and FOV, the camera FOV is too low and you cannot basically use it. So there is a fix to that. You can simply add a camera, free camera here, and you can go to that camera, then press arrow key. You can see through that camera, and now you can use the FOV like we change FOV in Unreal Engine or any other program. By default is I think 45. You can use 90 or 20 to go into interior spaces without any problem. So yeah, that's all for today. Bye bye.